190 rupees chicken meals and 280 rupees mutton meals is a must try here. So the place name is Amrut Vihar Family Restaurant. This is located in Bengaluru, Nagasandra, opposite to Christ University. The ambience looks very clean and neatly maintained. And in 190 rupees chicken meals, we get 2 chapatis, 3 varieties of chicken starters, 1 variety of biryani rice and white rice along with 1 ice cream. In mutton meals, we get 2 chapatis, 3 varieties of mutton starters, 1 portion of biryani rice, white rice and along with 1 ice cream. It tasted really very good. You could check out the full detailed video on the Dinesh Perspective YouTube channel. Do what you love. Bye bye.